Welcome to the Ross Woodworks Shop SOP on how to change your router bits in full-size routers and in palm routers. Begin by making sure there is no power to your router via the power cable or a battery. Remove your router from its base plate using the lever lock, or in this case, the screw that locks it into place. Once your router is removed from its base, lay it flat on your workbench. Take your first wrench, add it to the lower nut, and lay it flat on the bench facing you. And take your second wrench, adding it to the upper nut, and pull that wrench towards you. Sometimes this takes a little bit of percussion force to make it happen. Some cases there is a secondary spot in which the nut seizes up that you will need the wrench to unlock it from. In this situation, we are removing a 1/4 inch shank router bit and replacing it with a 1/2 inch shank router bit. Notice the two different size collets. Make sure to screw in the 1/2 inch collet for a 1/2 inch bit. Once the collet is loosely attached, flip your wrench over so it is flat on the table on the opposite side. Then put your bit in the router all the way down till it bottoms out, and then pull it back out 1/8 of an inch. Take your second wrench and push it away from you to lock the nut into place. Once the nut is secure, put your base plate back on the router, making sure that it is all the way in and secured with the lever lock or the tightening screw. Now you've replaced your bit in your full-size router. The same rules apply for a palm router. Remove your power source and your base plate. Repeating the method with your wrenches, loosen the router bit. When replacing your router bit, make sure it is not completely bottomed out. The bit will cold fuse to the router if it is, and if it is too far out, you run the risk of breaking the shank and sending your bit flying. Having the bit 1/8 of an inch exposed is the perfect amount. Repeat the process with your wrenches to secure the nut into place. Then replace your base plate and your power source. Now you are ready to route your material. Thank you for watching the Ross Woodworks Shop SOP on how to replace your router bits.